If you are still eyeballing your CSV files row by row to find errors, you are working way too hard. Stop the struggle. Let's fire up VS Code. First, install the dtale package. Then, we need exactly 3 lines of Python. Import dtale, load your messy CSV, and run dtale.show. Boom! It launches a local instance right in your browser. Click on a column header. Look at that! Instant statistics, outliers, histograms, unique counts. It is all just ready to go. Want to visualize? Just open the chart builder. Let's check the average price by city. No code, just drag and drop. But here's the magic. See this messy status column? Don't write regex. Just go to clean column and strip the numbers. Fixed! Instantly! Missing data? Toggle the highlighter. There they are. Let's fill those NaNs with a default value. Done. Now, the power move. Aggregations. We don't need a spreadsheet for this. Select summarize data, group by city, and count the products. Hit execute, and it opens the result in a brand new tab. Clean, summarize data. Need to change data types? Don't write a script. Just click, convert, and save. This is dtale. It is the ultimate cheat code for Pandas. Like and subscribe for more automated data hacks.